To address the need for a resilient and independent water supply for Los Angeles, the Los Angeles Department of Water and Power is pursuing a major initiative aimed at maximizing water recycling for the region. The Hyperion Water Reuse and Resiliency Program will help meet Mayor Garcetti's 2019 Green New Deal goal to recycle 100% of available treated wastewater for the beneficial use by 2035. To embark on this project, the city is building a forward-thinking membrane bioreactor pilot facility to assess the suitability of advanced processes for the treatment and reclamation of flow through the Hyperion Water Reclamation Plant. To assist in this revolutionary pilot program, Romtec Utilities was contacted by Stantec Engineering to provide 2 self-priming, skid-mounted pumping systems to transfer primary sedimentation effluent directly to the pilot facility. The pumping systems provided by Romtec are mounted on existing wet wells and will play a vital role in the advanced purification process. The self-priming skids are the very first step to a much larger pilot facility that will ultimately determine the best way possible to produce a highly reliable supply of purified water that is better conserved and sourced locally. The Hyperion Water Reuse and Resiliency Program will potentially handle 1/3 of the city's water supply and reduce the need for imported water by 2035. An ambitious project that Romtec Utilities is proud to take part in.